Welcome back. Now, one of the things that you will see in the Zoom client is that Zoom will tell you that you have access to what is called Zoom Mail. What you'll need to do if you have not done so previously is you'll need to click this button that says Accept. What you'll then need to do is you'll then need to click Create Zoom Mail. You'll then need to create your Zoom Mail account. You'll then need to click Saved at the dialog box for devices and activity. You'll then need to create your backup keys as given to you by Zoom and then download the backup key. And your mailbox will then be set up inside of Zoom. You can then begin to compose and send emails and receive emails inside of Zoom. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.